What are we preparing our children for at AKIA? We're preparing our children to be able to handle anything in the future with the skills that they require, with the content that they require, with the knowledge that they require, and with a great culture. We want them to go out into the world and be responsible citizens. We want them to be independent thinkers, problem solvers, decision makers. How do we achieve this? We achieve it through great teaching practices.
And for that, our educators need to work very hard to design learning and to ensure that the experience in the classroom is very real, very engaging, challenging, and we keep learning at the heart of what we do.
We at AKIA definitely believe that teaching is hard work. So in order to empower our students to be the best, we definitely need our teachers to help us and be change agents. Change agents both on a personal level as well as an institutional level.
Agents of change, first of all, I'd say being receptive to new ideas. I think we must understand the scenario that we grew up in is not the same today. So children are going to be different. So that's very important for adults to be able to adapt to the new things that is around you. And nothing better than children. I think they are the best ones to teach you that.
We're looking to see whether that teacher has the right mindset and the skills required to be able to cope with whatever the curriculum demands. So if we feel that the teacher has the right mindset, then our job becomes so much more easier.
So I basically want to create a safe learning environment where the children are open about their thoughts and they communicate well with the teacher.
2-week, 3-week intense orientation, all of that is happening right now, where they are handheld through the entire process, through the curriculum. They're made to understand what their lessons are going to look like, what their lesson plans are going to look like, how they should be delivering a lesson. It's broken down into that much of a detail to help these teachers. So that way, I think teachers get a lot of support from the school, from the curriculum team, from the coordinators. All of us are working to ensure that teachers are able to go there, connect with the students and deliver.
With technology and globalization coming in, they have to be abreast with the latest teaching methodologies.
Teachers need to be aware of the recent trends in the curriculum and also technology, which helps them to challenge the students in an effective way.
Orientation was fantastic because I could see the positive environment, a lot of motivators, teachers, and I feel it's a perfect, not only for the children, but also for teachers like us in developing ourselves, because I can see the way the curriculum is planned. There's a lot of changes from the traditional way of teaching and the new way where we can use this knowledge for the practical purposes. I think that's beautifully done. So thanks to all the facilitators. It's been a great journey, the 3 days, and I'm looking forward to making a change too.
The way we greet teachers every day, the same thing we expect from our teachers. They should be greeting their students with either a handshake or a gentle touch, or it could be a smile, but that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the day for that particular child and for the class in general. So that is the culture of the school, warm and welcoming.
I think AKIA has been a whole new teaching experience. From the traditional way of teaching, we've come a long way.
The first thing about AKIA that appeals a lot to me is that it is student-centric. In fact, as class teachers, we every day invite them into the class. We use language that shows respect to children as much as we would show when we are talking to an adult.
They add this element of fun in it by using energizers and brain breaks, and they design those every hour of learning for these children in the classroom. The IKEA community welcomes all our teachers and supports them through the year constantly with ongoing professional development, with ongoing help in the classroom, on campus with their colleagues, with their students. There's always a sense of belonging. So the educators at IKEA, they come with diverse backgrounds. They've had successful careers in various fields. They all come in with the same sense of purpose, and they want to be a part of the change that we are trying to drive, to make an impact on a child's life and the child's learning.
We don't know what kind of jobs are going to come up in the next 10 years or 20 years. So we cannot prepare them for a specific job, but we can equip them with thinking skills, research skills, which is what IKEA's curriculum does, and I'm happy to be part of this system.
I am constantly learning every day because I meet my children with new ideas each day. I have learned that creativity has various expressions. I have learned that children, they are going to come up with newer things. I learn each day from my children. Every day in IKEA is a learning experience.
So I wish you all the very best of luck in this journey. Being agents of change means being brave. It means being positive. It means working really hard. It means being supportive. It means being disciplined. And teaching is hard work. Teaching is a work of art. Teaching is a work of the heart. It is passion that drives us every single day. So I hope we are there as a family, as a unit, and we create change. We move the needle on the way education is designed, the way children are taught, the way children are treated. We have to set an example to everybody, saying that we care about students way more than anybody else does. We put our students at the heart of what we do. We care about what experience they're going through, what learning they're going through, and whatever it takes to get there, we will get there. And that means changing ourselves, changing the system, changing parent mindsets, changing our family mindsets. Anything it takes, we have to do it. And we're all in this journey of the unknown. But one step at a time, 1 year at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time.